Back with another Friday night breaking. We do just have the one break tonight. It's going to be a short night. Our one break is going to be our 2022 Panini Select 4-box break. This just came out today, so breaking to see if we can pull anything really nice out of it. Obviously looking for some of those short print parallels, nicer autos. We'll see what we can get, but if you're watching this via recording later on and don't want to watch all the packs being open, I will do a recap of all of our hits and lower numbered stuff and hopefully SPs if we get any. I'll do that at the end of the break, so you can fast forward if you feel like you don't want to watch the whole thing, which I completely understand. So, as I mentioned before, we just have the one break tonight. I had the absolute break scheduled and up on the site or up on eBay, but unfortunately wasn't able to get the case in time. I was supposed to get it. Like midweek, and it just kept getting pushed back and pushed back. I'm not going to get it till next week, so I will post that break, those teams up on eBay for the following week. I will be out of town next week, so I won't be breaking next week. I will be breaking the following week, though, and probably have a pretty big night of breaking that night because a bunch of stuff comes out in the next couple weeks. So anyway, without further ado, let's go ahead and get into the select break. Thanks again, everyone, for joining. I appreciate it. I appreciate all the quick payments. It's probably the fastest I've been that people have gotten all their payments in, so that was nice to see. And here we go, 4 boxes. It only looks like 2, but they're stacked. 4 boxes of select baseball, brand new today. Yeah, Absolute is good. Absolute is getting a lot of love this year for baseball, as far as a Panini baseball product goes. So I am going to do a case of it. I just wasn't able to secure it in time for tonight. So good luck, everybody. Here we go. Box 1. I think the Kabooms obviously have brought Absolute. Like, Absolute is so... it was my favorite product in the early 2010s, and even before then. And then it kind of lost some traction between probably 2013 and 2017 for football. It was where it was the biggest, and then the Kabooms, I think, brought it back into relevance again. People just love chasing those, which I understand. They're cool cards. So I think having that in baseball really helps. All right, here we go. Box 1. Since we only have 4 boxes, I'm just going to go pack by pack instead of ripping them all. All right, all cards from this break will ship. I will be kind of sorting them as we go along, but just know that all the cards will ship. So we'll start with some rookies. This is what they look like this year. This is Ryan Vilade. These are concourse rookies. So you got him. Let's see, base vet Larry Walker. And we got what are these? Premium level. There's a Gary Carter. I won't go this slowly through all of them. And our first hit is going to be a Spencer Strider to 199 Relic Auto. Call it a silver refractor, I guess. For the Braves. Let's see. What thickness is this? I think that's going to be 2. Oh, it fits. All right. There you go. So Braves draw first blood. That's Cleve Chand. Congrats. That's 33 out of 199. And an Enfuego insert of Mookie Betts. Hold on, there we go. All right. All right. Hader, Nola, Laureano, Chaz McCormick rookie, excuse me, and a red Tyler Glasnow to 199 for the Rays. 172 of 199. I do like, obviously select football is what I was used to, and but I've always liked select, not as much as Prism, but Wisdom, Griffey, Chris Sale, and Lewis Robert, red, white, and blue. These are not numbered. Concourse Reverse red, white, and blue. It's cool for the White Sox. And a Jose Ramirez. I forget what these are called. I forget what it's called. Some sort of insert, I think. Anyway, I don't think that's one of the short prints, but not sure why I put it in a penny sleeve. But all right, here we go. Frankie Montas, Hunter Renfroe, Patrick Mazeika rookie, Jake McCarthy rookie, and a green, lime green of Jeimer Candelario for the Tigers. I want a 7 of 99 on that one for the Tigers. And the Steiny, anything 99 or below, I will automatically top load for you. Astros and Nats. All right. Let's see what I can do. Raleigh. Oh, we got a zebra in here. Those are pretty popular. Raleigh Fingers. Matt Brash rookie. There's a Wander Franco rookie. I'll just show it. And it's an Ian Happ for the Cubs. There's a Wander Franco, a premier level rookie. And an Ian Happ for the Cubs, as mentioned. Zebra. There we go. Cubs is B. Zabel. Congrats. Of course, these aren't numbered, but generally they're shorter print. Pretty cool looking too. And a Jose Barrios silver prism. I'll put that in the sleeve. I'll put all prisms in sleeves. All right. So we got another hit here. Ashby rookie. And at a 250, Matt Manning jumbo relic for the Tigers. And the Steiny again. Congrats. Uh, 197 to 250. And a Nolan Ryan numbers insert. I like that they put the cards on the back. Red, white, blue, Madison Bumgarner. The D-backs. And a Select Stars Vidal Bruton rookie for the Rays. All the cards on the back are upside down, I just realized. Alright, and a, I'll call that light blue, Luis Castillo for the Reds. That one is 120 out of 149. There we go. Alright, still have 2 hits left. That's one of them. Jake Myers, rookie. And Mike Bauman out of 250. Jumbo relic for the Orioles. Cool Babe Ruth on the back here. There you go, Mike Baum. 225 out of 250 for Rossetti 03 in the Orioles. And Moonshots insert for Babe Ruth. I don't think that's a SP insert, but I will sleeve it anyway. Alright. Luke Williams, rookie. And a silver of Anthony DeSclafani. Just prism there for the Giants. Alright, 2 packs, 1 auto left. Alright. Greg Diekman, rookie. There's a base Babe Ruth. Cole, and a silver of Vlad Guerrero Jr. for the Blue Jays. Concourse. This is the diamond level. Sorry, that was our first Prism diamond level. I knew that was something different. I just didn't find it on the back of the card. Alright. Better have an auto in here. Like so. Thomas Zipucki, rookie. Bueller, and a Spark Signatures Drew Ellis autograph for the Diamondbacks. Diamondbacks, Cleve Chand again. Cleve got both the autos, I think. 113 of 199. Yes. Alright, there you go. And Andrew Judge Moonshots. Alright, that was box 1. I'll go through the next one a little quicker. Or I guess the rest of them a little bit quicker. I have a feeling that was not a great box. Or I should say even a good box. These are all stuck together. Alright. There we go. Box 2. Josh Hader, red, white, and blue. Oh my. The Brewers, Bucks, and the Cal Ripken, Moonshot, or no, Select Stars, excuse me. Red, white, and blue of Larry Walker. Rockies. And then in Fuego of Ozzie Albies for the Braves. Insert. Otto Lopez rookie. And a silver rookie of Thomas Sapuki for the Mets. Says New York. It looks like Mets colors. I'm going to go with the Mets on that one. Sure, I don't recognize that name on the Yankees, so. Alright, here we go. First hit of this box read, Detmer's rookie. And Hans Kraus, Jumbo Relic for the Phillies. This one I don't believe was numbered. No, I think that's our first one that is not numbered. Yeah, all the other stuff was numbered in the last box. Moonshots insert of Vlad Guerrero Jr. Alright, Matthews, Hendricks, Jose Siri, rookie. The Torres, and a baby blue of Frankie Montas. He had a tough luck outing last night. 96 of 149 for the A's. Alright, Ichiro. And Jose Siri for the Astros, silver rookie. There you go. Jake Berger rookie. And Reese, I don't even know how to pronounce this guy's name. Reese Kerr, ish. Rookie for the Padres. Got a little brown stripe through the middle there. Padres and Rossetti, 03. There you go. Okay. Another non-number. There's a Mike Trout. Fuego. Just leave that one for you. All right. Trout. Jordan Alvarez. And a silver of Mitch Haniger. This looks like that diamond. What was it called again? Diamond level. Yeah. For the Mariners. Alright. We haven't gotten much in this. A couple of non-numbered relics and it was a jersey auto, it must be. Matt Manning rookie. And Brett Honeywell for the Athletics. For some reason I thought he was on the Rays. Clearly he's not now. Athletics. FR War, 3146. There you go. Brett Honeywell relic auto to 199. What 85 of 199 on that one? Yeah. Alrighty. And George Brett insert. Still have one auto left. Tony Santillan, rookie. Josiah Gray, concourse rookie. Oh no, premier level. Sorry, that's a premier level. There's Ringer and Colton Wong, silver for the Brewers. That is 21 out of 50 on a concourse. I thought that background looked a little different. I'm not exactly sure what that's called. Clearly, I did research on the short print stuff, but not on all the numbered stuff. Looks like a black-white inverse kind of background. Marble, maybe. Kind of looks like a countertop. There you go for the Brewers. Cleve Chand, again 21 out of 50 on the Colton Wong. All right, last hit coming here. Gavin Sheets, rookie for the White Sox. And Roansy Contreras for the Pirates. Relic auto. Go Pirates. Cleve Chand. Hitting a lot of the autos here. 11 of 199. Nothing major yet, obviously. But 3 of the 4. Alright, and then Fuego Donaldson. Give me 1 sec. I lost control of my veteran base here. Base stack. There we go. Alright, last one of box 2. Jose Abreu and a red of Hyunjin Ryu for the Blue Jays to 199. 121 of 199. That's premier level red. All right, that's it for the first half. Nothing exciting yet, I don't think. I'm just going to move some of these things out of the way. All right, second 2 boxes. Good luck, everybody. Man, it's really got all kinds of screwed around in here. All right. Let's hope that zebra wasn't our only shorter printed card we pulled here. All right, here we go. Box 3. Red Harrison Bader. Out of 199 for the Cardinals. That one is 145 out of 199. Yeah. Getting lots of reds. Lots of boring old reds. At a 49, Steve Carlton auto. There we go. Something a little bit more exciting for the Phillies. Congrats to the Phillies and Rossetti 03. This is Selective Signatures. More or less an insert auto. Cool. That one is 42 of 49. What's going on here? Come on. That's right. Anyway, there's your Steve Carlton. Nice. Congrats. Moonshots. Probably a rookie. Gavin Sheets. Doesn't say rookie on it though, so maybe not. Alright. Jose Siri rookie. There. A Firestorm. O'Neal Cruz. That's cool. I don't see that as one of the short prints, but that's a cool rookie regardless. Just in case, I'm going to protect that one for you. Nice for the Pirates. And Cleve Chand. There you go. Pretty cool. And a Curtis Terry for the Rangers Prism, Silver Prism rookie. Give me one sec. Screw this up. There we go. All right. It wasn't in the normal insert spot, which is why I feel like that O'Neal Cruz was maybe a little bit shorter printed. Matt Manning rookie, and an Eli Morgan for the Guardians jumbo jersey. Is that the only relics they have in this stuff? It says jumbo relics. Not numbered. Guardians G5 Sports. Congrats. And in Fuego, Bryce Harper. I feel like this has already become our best box. Matt Brash rookie, Aaron Ashby rookie, and a silver diamond level of Hans Kraus rookie for the Phillies. Go Hans Kraus. Got some sort of atomic and tops, cracked ice and Panini. Riley Adams, diamond level rookie, and a Chris Taylor, call it cracked ice here in Panini products, even though I prefer atomic. It's cool. 25 out of 25. Generally short printed for the Dodgers, and Rossetti 03. All right. Pretty nice box so far. Seth Beer rookie. Zach Gallen. It's just a regular black and white. Behind that is a Wander Franco and Fuego rookie. There you go. For the Rays, a couple Wanders so far. Oh, you know what? I don't know. I should be top loading all the Wander Franco stuff. Give me one sec. I don't know what I was thinking. All right. Out to the next. We're hitting this one. Connor Wong, rookie. Baldy and Amir Garrett out of 250. Oh, there you go. I was wondering about other relics. Here is a select swatches relic of Amir Garrett for the Reds. This one feels thicker, but it's not. 158 out of 250. That part. It's got that marble kind of thing that that no one out of 50 had. And a Jose Altuve in Fuego insert. Alright. Still have another auto to go. Good luck, everybody. Our number is Jorge Polanco, red, white, and blue. And a Frank Thomas numbers. Hell yeah. Oh, here times he won MVP awards in 93, leading the league big with 109 RBIs, 113 games. Alright. Sorry. I'm a big Frank Thomas fan, so I was just reading what the card was about. Alright. Gavin Sheets, rookie. Josiah Gray, rookie. And a Teoscar Hernandez for the Blue Jays. Powder blue to 149. 49 to 149. There you go. Need one of those of Wander Franco. Alright. Brandon Marsh, silver prism rookie for the Angels. Concourse rookie. There you go. Alright, must be a relic auto here. Good luck, everybody. Doval rookie. Darvish. I'm actually going to flip this around. Got a JT Realmuto. Select stars, and our hit is going to be Thomas. Oh, this guy. Hey, Thomas Zapucki for the Mets. Definitely the Mets. That is I believe that should be a patch auto. That's 49 of 99. There you go for the Mets. And Caberry 720. There you go. Alright. Oh, that's even a little bit of a tight fit. Definitely thicker. Alright. Cool. Alright, last box. Good luck, everybody. Still looking for one of those SPs. They are Color Wheel, Lightning Strike, or a Rookie Explosion would be cool. Let's try. Got some low-numbered stuff, which has been nice. I don't know if that O'Neal Cruz card is a short print or anything, but it's definitely in that spot where I think the SPs and the hits usually are. So, all right, box 4. Last one. Good luck, everybody. Greg Diekman out of 250. Jumbo relic for the Cubs. A little pinstripe in there. And B. Zabel. Second Cubs hit of the break, I believe. Oh, wait, no. They got the Cubs got the zebra. Matt Olson in Fuego. Right. Jake Berger rookie. And lime green of Tyler Stevenson for the Reds. 60 of 99 on that one. Yeah, it's like so weird. Alright. That's crappy, but Reds. Joris 8440. Yeah, it was Ian Happ. Zebra, I can show it to you in just a second. Another Wander Franco rookie. There you go. So 2 Wander Franco rookies and an insert rookie. Cedric Mullins. I forget what these are called. Well, this is a red, white, and blue. It's just the orange threw me off. Yeah, red, white, and blue. And then Fuego of Guerrero. Here it was, Ian Happ, Zebra. AJ Alexi. Bryce Harper, red, white, and blue. And a Bryce Harper Sparks insert. Haven't seen that one. Oh, wait. We got an auto of this one. Haven't seen an actual insert of it yet, though. Another atomic. Or, excuse me, cracked ice. And it is going to be a Glenn Otto for the Rangers, rookie. Haven't heard of Glenn Otto yet. That's 18/25. Alright, we're going to get this to... There we go. Oh, it did it for a second. There. What? I don't understand what's going on. Alright. Rangers is CM Chased 3. Congrats. Rookie. I keep wanting to say atomic, but cracked ice. There's your Glenn Otto base card. Micah Bauman, rookie. And a Ken Griffey Jr. silver prism. That is a concourse level. There you go for the Mariners. Mixing up my piles here. I still have quite a few hits to go. I don't think we've had an auto yet. Until now. Benintendi. Williams. I think I'm going to flip this around again. Xander Bogaerts select stars, and your next auto is going to be Youth Explosion. Here we go. It could be a non-rookie. It is Reginald Preciado for the Cubs. Or in this case, Reggie Preciado. You'll see him quite a bit in Bowman stuff. There you go. Youth Explosion auto. Cool for the Cubs, and beats Abel again. Man, crushing it with those Cubs. That one is 8/99. Maybe? Oh, it really doesn't want to show up on that one. I think I'm going to try on the next one to show the numbering before I put it in the top loader. But anyway, there's your Preciado. Alright, here's a thick one that probably has... Looks like we might be just be getting to not have a relic auto in this box. This is our last auto, so I'm going to set it right there. See it? Just save something for the end. Trout. And Lars Nootbaar, my favorite name. There's another nice, really nice patch on that one. Another atomic. Oh, cracked ice. 3-color jumbo patch on the Lars Nootbaar. Oh, come on. It doesn't fit. Bellinger, silver. Let's see, I'm going to have to open up a... Yeah. Give me one sec. Ones have a little bit more room in them. I don't want to squeeze that in there too much. Oh, come on. There we go. Alright. Alright. There we go. Nice and easy. There's a new bar. 1/25. Congrats to QJBM552. There you go. Cool rookie patch. Tony Santillan, rookie. Otto Lopez, rookie. And a Jake Myers, rookie prism for the Astros. Concourse Prism, silver. All right, 2 packs left, and then we'll get to that auto sitting over there. This was the Atomic cracked ice break, apparently. Bueller, and a Mike Zunino red to 199 for the Rays. 157 and 199. All right, last pack. Oh, we got something in here. Reed Detmers, rookie. Or, sorry, yeah, Reed Detmers, rookie. And Thunder and Lightning, Ketel Marte. I don't think that's the, I also don't think that's a short print, but haven't seen one of those yet. It's for the Diamondbacks. Oh, it's Cleve Chand on that one. I don't know if these, how rare these are or not, but there you go. And a Trevor Story silver. Prism? Rockies? Alright, here we go. Last hit. Good luck, everybody. Flip. Harmon Killebrew. Moonshots and upside down. It is going to be, it looks like a gold. Moonshots of Freddie Freeman. Very cool. On the Braves. Still on the Braves. See Atlanta right down there. Very cool. Congrats to Cleve Chand and the Braves. That one is 3 of 10. There we go. We got a gold one. Very nice. Very nice way to end the break. Cool. All right. Congratulations again on the Moonshots Gold Auto of Freddie Freeman. And that's going to do it for the break, everybody. Thanks again for joining. I appreciate it. If you give me a sec, I will go ahead and move some things aside, and we'll do a recap of all the hits. All right. We're all 250, right? 250. What was this one? 249. 199. All right. Here we go. Recap of our 2022 Panini Select Baseball 4-box break. We'll start with our non-hits, but numbered cards and shorter print stuff. So we got some Wander Franco hit cards. They got an Infuego insert and 2 base rookies. We got a Zebra of Ian Happ. Backwards. Thunder and Lightning. I'm not sure how rare this one is, but I know it's not one of the super short prints, but Ketel Marte, and then a cool Firestorm O'Neal Cruz for the Pirates. Again, not sure about the short print, if these are short print at all, but we did only get one of these in all 4 boxes. Same with the Thunder and Lightning. All right, Lime Green to 99. We got 2 of these, Jeimer Candelario and Tyler Stevenson. And then we got, I don't know what this one's called. It is a Colton Wong for the Brewers. It's numbered out of 50. Somebody was going to have to tell me what that parallel is. And we got 2 cracked ice, Chris Taylor for the Dodgers, and Glenn Otto rookie for the Rangers, both out of 25. All right, on to the relics. First, we have our base non-numbered relics. Rookie of Eli Morgan, Reese Kerr, and Hans Kraus. We have the silvers to 250, Mike Bauman, Matt Manning, a Stitches select swatches, of Amir Garrett, and another jumbo of Greg Diekman, and then an atomic cracked ice jumbo 3-color patch rookie of Lars Nootbaar for the Cardinals. It's pretty cool. All right, on to the autos. 8 autos in total. Start with our 1s to 199 Sparks auto of Drew Ellis. Spencer Strider relic auto rookie. Brent Honeywell. I guess it's a vet relic auto. And then a rookie relic auto of Roansy Contreras for the Pirates. And then one parallel to 99 Thomas Zapuki for the Mets. All right, our non-relic autos, we had to 99 Reggie Preciado, Reginald Preciado for the Cubs, Youth Explosion auto. Also to 49, the Steve Carlton auto for the Phillies. That's a selective signatures auto. And then our very nice one is a Moonshots gold auto of Freddie Freeman for the Braves, Atlanta. Gold to 10. 3 of 10 on that one. So pretty nice way. It was the last auto of the break. The parallel out of 50 is just a white parallel. Okay, thank you. Appreciate it. All right, that's the end of the break, everybody. Thanks again for joining. I appreciate it. Of course, as I mentioned before, that was our only break of the evening. I will be back. I'm off next week due to being out of town, but I will be back the following week, probably with 3 to 4 breaks. There's a lot of stuff coming out. So I hope to see you all then. I hope you enjoyed the break. Thank you again for joining and getting payments in all quickly and everything. So I always appreciate that. I hope everybody has a lovely weekend. And I will see you all next time. Until then, peace.